Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the little splash whale day 13 in Heartopia. So today it is the white one. If you go to the Whalefall area and you go on top of the bones, I guess, you'll see the whale in the eye area. I'm still unsure what bone this is supposed to be. I'm thinking just like a whale. But let me take a picture. Make sure it is in the frame so it's detected or else it won't show. There we go. And again, don't forget to give your whale a little boop. Oh my god. There we go. Alright, and you'll find the bubble not far from here. You'll find it under the body of the the bone body of the bone of the body. There we go. Sorry, lagging a little bit there. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.